Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best living room accessories and appliances. Your living room is where you receive your guests, so why not put out all your architectural gifts to work and decorate it to a T? In this video, we're sharing with you 8 items to make your living room stylish, cozy, and functional all at once. The team at trustedshopguy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the living room accessories and appliances that will be presented in this video. We have selected our best options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first best living room item on our list is the Prominence Home Alvina ceiling fan. Perfect for warm rural settings, the Prominence Home Alvina ceiling fan sports a sophisticated satin nickel finish. Each side has a unique aesthetic, with one side having a beautiful gray wood surface while the other being coated in a contrasting walnut color. The fan's 44-inch blade span makes it ideal for small to medium spaces like apartments, dorms, condominiums, dens, and more. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Prominence Home Alvina ceiling fan a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 3-speed reversible motor. It contains a quiet 3-speed reversible motor that can be used in the winter to help rotate warm air and save money on energy. Easy to use. For easy on and off and power adjustments, the fan has traditional pull chains. It is also compatible with many universal ceiling fan remotes. 2-piece CRS hugger mounting system. Offering effortless installation, the ceiling fan comes with a 2-piece CRS hugger mounting system. 2 reversible ceiling fan blades. 2 aligned ceiling fan blades with similar finishes, they can be turned around on both sides. Wide coverage. If you want to use the ceiling fan somewhere else, you can trust the 350 square feet of coverage to ventilate living rooms, bedrooms, dining rooms, and family rooms. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a bit small, so it's not very eye-catching or strong, but it's perfect for low ceiling rooms. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to people who haven't found a stylish and space-saving standing fan. The second best living room item on our list is the Amazon Rivet Revolve Modern Upholstered Sofa. With clean lines, square armrests, and tall tapered legs, the Amazon Rivet Revolve Modern Upholstered Sofa has a minimalist aesthetic that works well with a lot of decorating styles. As for the size, it is 79.9 by 62.2 by 35.4 inches and has a weight of 128 pounds. You can also assemble it in 15 minutes or less by mounting the legs zippered inside the package. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Amazon Rivet Revolve Modern Upholstered Sofa a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: durable and high-quality construction. It's made of a hardwood frame, solid beech wood legs, and durable polyester upholstery that stands up to wear and tear. Soft and stylish fabric. This item is made of 100% leather and polyester fabric with foam padding and removable cushions to make you and your guests as comfortable as possible. Movable chase. The chase can be moved to either end of the room to suit your needs, and it also serves as an extra seat for guests. Easy to assemble. Simply attach the legs that come zippered inside the product to complete the assembly in 15 minutes or less. Easy to clean. Ditch vacuums, steam cleaners, and harsh detergents. You can simply wipe the sofa clean with a soft, dry cloth. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, some users share that the colors really pop in natural lights. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to someone who hasn't found a central living room piece just yet. The third best living room item on our list is the Yaheetech coffee table and storage cabinet. Boasting a unique and versatile lift-top table with the Yaheetech coffee table and storage cabinet, you won't have to lean forward as far as to use your laptop, write, or eat at the table while relaxing on the couch. The contemporary minimalist look is simple in shape and classic in color, allowing it to blend in with any room's decor. As for its size, it measures 38.6 by 19.7 by 22 inches and weighs 41.9 pounds. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Yaheetech coffee table and storage cabinet a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: lift-top design. While sitting on your sofa, you can easily pull the coffee table up and forward to create a workspace. Thanks to the high-quality metal mechanism, you can also raise and lower the plank quietly and effortlessly. Solid table construction. This table has strong pinewood legs, a carb P2-compliant medium-density fiberboard top, a water-resistant powder coating, and a robust metal mechanism, so once it's propped up, it won't wobble or tip thanks to the solid structure. Multiple storages. When you're taking a break from work, you can neatly store your laptop, remote controls, gaming controllers, and chess set in the secret storage compartment on top, while the bottom open shelf can hold snacks and knickknacks, books, and blankets. High loading capacity. You can trust the table to hold all your things with its 77-pound total loading capacity. When fully extended, the tabletop has a weight capacity of 22 pounds, the upper tier can hold 33 pounds, and the lowest level can hold 40 pounds. Easy to assemble. It comes with all the essential parts and informative instruction booklet to make assembly quick and simple. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the instructions are a bit complicated, but you can just look at the diagrams. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for people who prefer to work from their living rooms. The fourth best living room item on our list is the Nest Fragrances Scented Candle. Using a proprietary premium wax, the Nest Fragrances Scented Candle is formulated to burn cleanly and evenly. It's available in 4 sizes: votive, classic, 3-wick, and 4-wick luxury. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Nest Fragrances Scented Candle a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: cruelty-free. This richly scented candle is vegan and made without animal testing, so it's safe to use. Being certified by people for the ethical treatment of animals, it's also guaranteed to be ethically made. Custom glass vessel. The opulent decorative candle comes in a distinctive glass container with a festive gold pattern that would work well with any holiday decor. Variety of fragrances. With a wide variety of fragrances to choose from, you can instantly provide the aroma of a sparkling holiday season. Long-lasting. Burning for 75 to 100 hours, this candle can last for 2 weeks up to a month if you only light it during the night. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's quite pricey, but you'll definitely get your money's worth with its high quality. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too, anyone who likes to unwind while watching movies in the living room. The fifth best living room item on our list is the Kate and Laurel wall mirror set. Want to turn your space into a vintage, mysterious, and intriguing living room? Check out the Kate and Laurel wall mirror set. This includes 3 octagonal golden mirrors, each measuring 1.25 by 12 by 24 inches and weighing 11.4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Kate and Laurel wall mirror set a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: substantial design choices. One of the geometric Laverty mirrors measures 24 inches high by 12 inches wide by 1.25 inches deep, making them substantial enough to be shown alone or in a unique mirror decor display. Stylish forms. Every eclectic collector can make the mirror look customized for the living room by combining global, vintage, and free-spirited forms. Diverse installations. This ornamental mirror includes metal D-ring hangers fitted to accommodate both horizontal and vertical installation. Multi-purpose. You can buy double or triple the set and place them side by side to make a fantastic wall display or hang it in any living room, bedroom, foyer, or bathroom. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't have any other size options, so make sure that the profile is just right for your living room. You can also mount one of the mirrors to your bedroom or bathroom in case it takes up too much space. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too, beauty gurus who would like to add a touch of glamour to the living room. The 6th best living room item on our list is the GBtroo Mason Jar Sconces Wall Decor. Every time you turn on the fairy tale-like GBtroo Mason Jar Sconces Wall Decor, its rustic appeal will certainly make you feel more relaxed. To add more calmness and feminine vibe to your home, the package includes an elegant artificial rose bouquet. What's best, the jars are made of high-quality glass measuring 14.33 by 7.24 by 5.87 inches and weighing 3.08 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the GBtroo Mason Jar Sconces Wall Decor a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: time features. This lighting comes with a smart remote control that allows you to set 2-hour, 4-hour, 6-hour, and 8-hour operations, so it won't flicker and turn off while your guest is still around. Many options. The remote control also features 8 different lighting modes to adjust the illumination based on your mood. Energy saving. After setting your preferences, it can be turned on and off automatically, which is ideal for saving you time and energy and creating a warm atmosphere in your space. Easy assemble. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, so it only takes around 15 minutes to set up. Multiple locations. You can create serenity and harmony in any room with these sconces. Whether you place them in the entryway, kitchen, near the TV, or under photographs and paintings, they create a chic aesthetic. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the battery is sold separately, so make sure you have 3 AA batteries in your cart before you check this out. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too, people who love having layered lighting to create a cozy feel to their room. The 7th best living room item on our list is the Addlon floor lamp. Sleepovers are not exclusive to the bedroom. With the addition of floor lamp, you and your friends may create larger sleeping forts and tents in the living room while basking in the glow of its soothing lights. It measures 17.32 by 12.8 by 5.91 inches and weighs 10.41 pounds, so you can move it around and use it in your office, bedroom, and even your bathroom. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Addlon floor lamp a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 3 color temperatures. It comes in 3 color temperatures: 3000, 4500, and 6500 Kelvin, which covers a wide range of purposes from serving as a nightlight to illuminating the virtual meetings in your room. Sturdy base. The sturdy base ensures that it will remain stable even if it's knocked over by children or pets. Softening cloth. This item offers a magnificent lampshade made of high-quality, soft fiber that'll help you create a welcoming, cozy atmosphere at night. Convenient foot switch. You can go hands-free since it has a handy foot switch that lets you control it with just one step. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the cord is quite short and you might have to use it with an extension. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a long lamp that has versatile lighting modes. The 8th best living room item on our list is the Walker Edison Saxon TV stand. Taking your living room to the next level with a stylish TV stand. You can use it in your living room, as a storage cabinet in your bedroom, or as a buffet in your kitchen or dining room, and get additional storage space for movies, devices, accessories, books, and decor. As for the size, it measures 70 by 15.75 by 24 inches and weighs 81 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded the Walker Edison Saxon TV stand a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: vintage and modern style. To achieve a mid-century modern design, it's made with metal tapered legs, slender metal handles, and a central glass shelf. 2-side cabinets. It includes 2-side cabinets for closed storage space for important files or consoles you don't use frequently, and center open shelving to hold books and magazines. Accommodating dimensions. This stand can hold up to 75-inch TVs, so your gaming and theater screens are definitely secured with this one. Adjustable shelves. It also features adjustable shelves to maximize storage space and help with better cord management, so you don't end up with tangled wires when you connect speakers and extra projectors to your TV. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the cable management holes are quite small, so we suggest trying to fit in the cords first before plugging them into the TV or any hardware. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who would like to save space for storage in a functional tabletop. And there you have it, folks, our best living room accessories and appliances, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next living room accessories and appliances roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that it can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.